Hi, I'm Nico from 2Octobers, and in this video I'm going to do a walkthrough of a dashboard that we created for tracking specific keywords, so organic search traffic from specific keywords. What this is really for, so this isn't meant to be like an overall, this is how we're doing, so much of as like when we do a specific initiative, let's say we're building content around a topic. In this case, the topic is storytelling with data. What kind of results do we see? Are we seeing an increase in the number of keywords, the volume of traffic from keywords? Meant to give you kind of a narrower view of performance in a specific topic area. So let's get started. Here's the dashboard. We've got a couple of things going on here. So there's two panels. On the top, we've got a panel that is showing results for keywords related to data storytelling. And then below is a panel showing commercial keywords. In our case, we're an agency based in Denver, a digital agency. So we've got keywords like SEO agency, digital marketing. I set up this way just because I like being able to show some context and comparison. I mentioned that the goal of the top panel is to keep track of data storytelling keywords related to an initiative to develop content around that. But I also wanted to show you the idea that you can compare different topics. So in this case, I'm using as a topic these commercial keywords, but that could be a different content initiative or sort of two aspects of the same initiative. Really, the point is that each one of these panels could be a different topic area. So let's dive into the dashboard and have a look at the ingredients. Okay, so both the dashboards are showing the same data but with different filters applied. So I'll step through each of the elements in the top one and then I'll go through the filters for both of them. So on the left we have 4 scorecard widgets, one showing clicks, one showing average position, keyword count, and impressions. Really there's nothing fancy going on with these except for the filter that's applied, and I'll get into that in a second. But these are just straight up scorecard filters comparing to the previous time period. So right now this is looking at the last 30 days, and then the scorecards are comparing to the previous 30 days. So in the case of clicks are down 7.5%. for data storytelling keywords. And these are keywords, so this data comes from Google Search Console. So these are keywords that people are searching in Google. And because it's coming from Search Console, I get to see both keywords that drove traffic to our website, but also keywords that we got impressions for and people didn't necessarily click on. So then this panel is a table with the search query and then clicks, impression, CTR, and average position. All right, so really, again, straightforward. The thing that's tricky about this is the filters that I have applied. So we'll have a look here. Bring this filter up. So in this case, all I've got is include query contains storytelling. Well, let me show you the next filter down, because this is where I think you could do a lot with just taking this one panel and then copying it into different tabs in a dashboard and applying different filters to really see a lot of different get insight into different areas of your website, different marketing initiatives. So let's have a look at this filter down here. So, and again, that storytelling filter is applied to these widgets as well as the table. So then down here, smaller. All right, so we're gonna have a look at this filter. Okay, so in this case, I'm doing a regular expression match. And specifically, what I have is a list of keywords. I'm gonna pull these out of here just because it's a little hard to read it in this screen, copy it. I'm just going to bring up, we'll make this full screen, paste this in here. Oh, look at that. That's a lot of stuff. All right, I'm gonna pare this down a little bit. This is really just a long list of keywords. I'm gonna get rid of most of it so that you can get a better sense of what's going on here. Okay, so this is a regular expression match, and I just wanted to walk through some simple things you can do with regular expressions and using them as filters. So I've got a few things. So right now I deleted, it was a whole list of different keywords, and in a regular expression, this pipe character right here, this vertical line, is an or. So in this case, I've got SEM agency near Denver or local digital marketing agency. Then you see I've got this caret character under local digital marketing agency, and I'm actually going to pop that down and make it even bigger so we can really dissect it. And I'm going to show you a couple different things with regular expressions. So this caret character means that if I didn't have it here, then the regular expression would match in a search query that included local digital marketing agency. So for example, if somebody searched for Colorado local digital marketing agency, if I didn't have this caret character, it would match. What this caret character says is it has to start with local. Then the $sign at the end, so that really just means begin with whatever follows. And then the $sign means end with. So meaning that it's only going to match if the search query exactly matches the local digital marketing agency. You may notice that I don't have the caret character under SEM agency near Denver. So in this case, it would match search queries that started with something else. I mean, could start with something else. So it could be inexpensive at an SEM agency near Denver, or options for SEM agency near Denver, which is a weird search. But in any case, because I don't have the caret character, so I'm going to just pop that back in there. You know what, actually, I created a formula in a Google Sheet to create that long list. So you saw that long list, and I just created a concatenate formula in a Google Sheet to put together, to concatenate that caret character and the $sign from a list of keywords. And the list of keywords I actually got out of SEMrush, which we use to track keywords. So these were keywords that we were monitoring in SEMrush for tooctobers.com. So I just copied that out of SEMrush, threw it in a Google Sheet, added the caret character, the $sign, and then the pipe character to create this regular expression list of things to match. I want to show you one other thing to do with a regular expression, just because I think you'll find it pretty helpful. So another thing that I can do is, let's say that I want to match any query that includes digital marketing and agency. So I could say, like, for example, it might match digital social media marketing agency or digital search marketing agency. So I'm going to go show you one other thing. So $* means there could be any number of any characters after digital before marketing. And I'm going to do $* again, agency, and then I'm going to go ahead and leave this without the caret and the $sign. And what that'll do is, and I'm going to throw the pipe, because otherwise, if I put this back into Data Studio, it would actually take that whole long string as a regular expression without that pipe, which is, again, an or. So now what I'm saying is I wanted to match SEM agency near Denver, exactly, local digital marketing agency, exactly, or a query that has the words digital, marketing, and agency in it. It has to be in that order, because what it's going to match if it finds the word digital and then any number of any characters, and then the word marketing, and then any number of any characters, and then the word agency. So what I could do is put that back together, and I could pop that back into Data Studio, and might as well try that out. So I'm going to go ahead and edit my query here. It's not going to come up with a whole lot because now I've got a really short list of keywords, but you'll see. So here we go. This is a perfect example, and I'll turn it back into a dashboard and then you can see it. So look down here. I have that regular expression that matches digital and anything, and then marketing and then anything and any agency, and so it found a query for digital marketing service agency and digital marketing services agency. So those are examples of phrases that matched that regular expression. This smaller again. That's really the magic of this dashboard. It's pretty straightforward. I really just wanted to show you the ability to use regular expressions to create filters to get at really specific lists of keywords. If you need any help with regular expressions, reach out and we can probably help you out. That's about it. Thanks for watching. If you do have any questions about regular expressions or anything else, drop a note in the comments below or come to 2octobers.com, click on contact, send us a note. It'll get to me. Would love to connect. So thanks very much for watching.